Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. In today's video, I want to give you guys some very cute ideas for a safari themed baby shower that would be perfect for boys or girls. So this first baby shower I designed was actually for a set of twin girls. They are absolutely adorable, and their mom decided to host the shower at a local coffee bar called Lux Brew, and we just went with the color palette that was already inside of the coffee bar. I added in the pink table linens and used some tropical foliage in the fresh florals, and they turned out absolutely adorable. This made it really easy to decorate because the restaurant was already very aesthetically pleasing, and so we just had to bring in the linens and the decor for the tables, and setting up was really simple for this. The only other thing we had to add was a place for sweets, a place for the buffet, and also a really cute backdrop. And with that, I mean, it was done. It was very intimate, very cozy, and a lot of people are opting for more intimate and cozy celebrations these days. So what I would recommend for you is to find a local restaurant or a local venue of some sort that is really small and that comes with a lot of items. Like, we didn't have to use any draping here. We didn't have to bring in any chairs. It was all included in the venue, which really made it work really well for this setup. And the backdrop turned out absolutely adorable. Now, if you've been following me on Amazon Live, you know that I recently designed a baby shower for Adelie, and it was, you guys, we loved it. She wanted a modern safari themed baby shower, and we are absolutely in love with the way that everything turned out. We did a mixture of greenery and pampas grass, and my Lux Academy class did an incredible job on the balloons and the centerpieces. They made these oversized centerpieces, you guys, from scratch. And I will leave more information towards the end of this video about Lux Academy for those of you all that may be interested, but it turned out so adorable. And I will also link where you can find everything in this shower. I will link all of those things down below as well. One of the things that Adelie and Travis did that I absolutely love from their baby shower was that they opted for books to start the baby a library instead of, your traditional baby shower cards. And so the food was, themed after the safari baby shower, like zebra bites and like the fruit tree with the monkey. It was just so many cute details. All of the food was labeled. It was just, you see those banana chips. It was just so cute, you guys. Like, everything was so super cute. The jungle vines. I just loved everything. But one of the things that really stuck with me was how they did the books instead of the cards. I thought that was so sweet. And you guys, everybody, really brought their books in and everything. And one of the books I wanted to gift them was one that was very special to me. And it was one that my father has authored. And I'm going to give you guys a little excerpt of his book. This is my dad, Fred Frost, and he just authored his first book. I would absolutely love for you guys to check it out. And I'm going to give you guys a little excerpt. Please get it and put it in your home library for your children, your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren. It will definitely be a joy for many years. I'm going to leave the link to the book down below. Definitely check it out, and thank you guys in advance.
Story of my favorite plant. How I Survived the Frost Family. By Fred Frost, illustrated by Frances Tate. Once upon a time, a little girl brought her science project home to share with her family. It was a pretty little flowering plant she had grown from a single seed in her classroom over several weeks. The little girl was excited to share the plant with her family and show them her good works. But the little girl and her family soon forgot about the plant as they went about their daily lives, working, reading, playing, and eating at the kitchen table, where the plant had been placed as the table's centerpiece. "It's so hot here," said the plant. "I'm bound by this tiny little plastic room and I'm thirsty. I'm very, very thirsty. Ever since that little girl brought me here, I've been fighting to survive. Sometimes I might get a wee bit of water and it would have to last for months. Other times I would be flooded with so much water, I'd have to quickly gulp it down and pass it through to keep from drowning. My limbs were weak and frail. My leaves were brown and withered and small. Most times I could not even hold my head up. I was depressed. When the sun came up in the morning, instead of welcoming it and stretching to feel the warmth of its rays, I hid from it. The rays would drain my already weakened body and start a new day of agonizing pain and struggle for survival." The new home was beautifully painted with the faces of my ancestors. After being planted in my beautiful home, I was slowly fed a delicious and nutritious blue concoction. The next day, before sunrise, I was again graced with a delicious drink of pure natural water. This truly refreshed my soul.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely let me know down below what portion of it you enjoyed. My dad is so animated. I love when he reads, and we need him to start a booktube. So let's encourage him down below to start a YouTube channel reading children's books. I think it would be just a great addition to the YouTube family. Thank you all so much again for tuning in. Until next time, it's Melanie and
Fred
with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers! Are you passionate about event design and decor? Or do you find yourself dreaming of turning your passion into a profitable business? Well, if so, look no further than Lux Academy. Our online, self-paced, and in-person courses will provide you with all the tools, resources, and guidance that you need to establish a successful business in the wedding and event planning industry. From contracts and pricing to financing and branding, we have got you covered. With our Lux lectures, our labs, and our legacies, you'll gain the knowledge and the insight you will need to create beautiful backdrops, stunning centerpieces, and you will also learn how to negotiate and host client consultations. Join us at Lux Academy and turn your passion into profit by enrolling today. Payment plans are available. We also have free classes that are offered, so be sure to check us out at luxacademy.online.